This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Elementor full width. Achieving a truly full-width design in Elementor involves a couple of key steps to ensure your content spans the entire browser window. This is crucial for creating modern, visually striking web pages that capture your audience's attention. We will cover the exact settings you need to adjust for a seamless, edge-to-edge layout. First, you need to set the correct page template. When editing your page in WordPress, find the Page Attributes section on the right-hand side. From the Template drop-down menu, select Elementor Full Width. This specific template is designed to remove your theme's default header, footer, and sidebar, giving Elementor complete control over the layout from edge to edge. Next, within the Elementor editor, select the section you wish to make full width. In the Section Settings panel, navigate to the Layout tab. Here, you will find the Content Width option. Change this to full width. Additionally, ensure the Stretch Section option is set to Yes. These two settings work together to make sure your section's background and content truly span 100% of the browser's width. Finally, always test your full-width designs across different devices and screen sizes. While the full-width settings are applied, you might need to adjust padding and margins within your columns or widgets to prevent content from touching the very edges of the screen. Optimizing your images and videos is also crucial to maintain visual quality. A well-executed full-width design enhances user engagement and provides a professional look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.